A very happy 2021, and this is the first video of this year, and we're going to be pumping it up with more energy and more enthusiasm. And like everyone else, I had goals planned for this year, and one of those goals was to produce as much as content possible and just upload. And then I saw this post. It was quite literally the same thing in my case. So keeping that aside, today we're going to be talking about something really interesting. I think it's a good start for 2021, I guess. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are crushing the game on Instagram, and I know quite a few who are really excelling at it, but I have 3 tips that can help you boost your game up and, crush it even in 2021. Now, this video is directed towards people who want to grow on Instagram or who just have OCD like me and just want to keep their feed consistent. So, tip number 1 I would like to give you is to be consistent. Just keep posting as much as possible. If you're a person who forgets easily, make sure you have reminders to help you remind when to post and be regular in the game. A general rule of thumb here is posting at least thrice in a week. Now, some people are really killing it by posting 3 times a day, but if you have the time, please do so. So being consistent on Instagram will help you with the algorithm and increasing the numbers of likes, followers, blah blah blah, if you care about numbers and so on. Number 2 is organizing and planning your feed. So the way I do it is I use an app called Granny. Okay, it's Garney. So what this app enables you to do is to have a preview of the pictures I'll be posting on your feed so that you can make it look consistent and fit it into the grid as per your liking. So any app for that matter that enables you to do that will totally work. What this helps you to do is maintain and organize your feed so that you know what you're posting, and even if something messes up, you can adjust it before you actually post it on Instagram. And for all of this to make sense, you need a consistent theme. When you maintain a consistent theme, as soon as someone lands on your page, it gives them an impression of how dedicated you are to your work, and it gives the vibe of the theme that you're following in your feed. I personally have switched a lot of themes, and currently I'm into the dark, desaturated and moody kind of theme. I'm not sure what exactly it is called, but let's call it deep, desaturated greens. So depending upon what you do, your themes can vary. Maybe you're a person who's into matte black, or maybe you're a person who's into travel, and maybe you're a person who's into influencer kind of thing and wants more vibrance in your pictures. Okay, so if you're really confused about whatever I just said, don't worry, I got you. I wanted to start this year with something good and positive. As a way of saying thank you, I have linked all the presets that I've developed so far for free for you to try it out and use it for your works, for all the love and support that you've been giving me and this channel. So I'd like to see what you do with these, and if you did use them, don't forget to tag me at Auguholic, and I'm waiting to see what you've created with it. And I hope you make the most out of this year. And a small piece of advice: if you want to start something, just start it and then develop it later. The more you do something, the more clarity you gain from it. I think Mark Zuckerberg said it.
Ideas don't come out fully formed. They only become clear as you work on them. You just have to get started.
Yeah, so that is it for the video. I hope you like this video, and let me know down in the comments what your theme is going to be, or will you be trying out my presets? Anything, just let me know down there. I'll catch you again in another video. Peace.